Hello everybody, good morning, welcome to my channel. How are you? Hope you are fine there. Please stay safe. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. Actually we are learning about the different kinds of pronouns, and today we are in the pronoun part 7, that is relative pronoun. Relative pronouns introduces a dependent or relative clause. All of you know that relative clause and or dependent clause. These sentence can be seen in complex sentence. They are also referred as an adjective clause. All of you know that adjective clause is also seen in complex sentence because they identify or give us the information about the subject of the independent clause they related to. Okay, they also refer as an adjective clause. Why? Because they identify or give us the information about the subject. It gives the information of the subject of the independent clause they related to. That's why relative pronoun. So they are known as relative pronoun. Okay, so let us come to the point. Pronoun part 7, relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are the words that introduces a dependent or relative clause. Okay, this relative pronoun introduces a dependent or relative clause. Okay, they are the pronouns that heads an adjective clause. Yes, I will show you here through the example how they are heads as adjective clause. I will show through the example. They are who, whom, which, whose and that. Okay, they are who, whom, which, whose and that. Okay, here they give the additional information about noun. Adjective clause means adjective clause means they gives additional information about noun, that is subject. Okay, now let us see through the examples. Now let us see the relative pronoun of the word who. Who refers to a person. Who, when you ask a question who, not question, here is the relative pronoun. So this refers to a person. How it functions as the verb's subject. Let me show through this verbs subject through the example. How the girl who came now gave some flowers. Just you observe the sentence. The girl, this is noun. Okay, who is a relative pronoun and it is the verb's subject. This is verb here. This is verb's subject. Who. Inquiry. Who came now? Okay, this is verbs subject. Who came now is adjective clause. This gives information about subject. It modifies noun or subject. That means this gives who gives the information of a subject. It modifies the noun. What gave some flowers? The girl who came now gave some flowers. Okay, next is the person who phoned me is my teacher. The person is a noun. Who is a relative pronoun. This is the antecedent. Who is the antecedent of person, noun. Okay, now this is the adverb clause. Who phoned me is the adverb clause. Okay, the person who phoned me is a teacher. Okay, it tells it functions. The person who, here it's it it is the antecedent of noun. The person who phoned me, the girl who phoned me, or the boy who came now, telling about this person, he is my teacher. Okay, next is whom. Whom refers to a person. As who refers to a person, the same thing whom also refers to a person, and it also functions as verbs object. See, functions as verbs object. Let us see how it is. It functions as verbs object. I am not sure whom's. Sorry, children. I am not sure whom this pen belongs to. Whom this pen belongs to. Whom is a relative pronoun, and let us see how this whom functions as verbs object means. This pen belongs to him. See, this him is an object, so this refers to him, and this functions as an object. Is it? Whom refers to him, and whom functions as an object, because I am not sure. I is a subject here. I am not sure. And whom this pen belongs to. Whom this pen is a subject here. Adject. Whom this pen belongs is an adjectival clause. It gives the information of a noun. It gives the information of noun. So this pen, whose pen? His pen. Next, the girl whom I phoned is my student. The girl whom I phoned is my student. This refers to student. This refers to student. It gives the information of an object. Okay, it gives the information of an object. This is adjectival clause. Okay, now next, let us come to the word which. It refers to an animal or thing. Okay, which refers to an animal or thing, not a person, only animal or thing. The parrot which I bought likes tomatoes. The parrot is a subject here, which is a relative pronoun here. So it refers, which I bought likes tomatoes. It refers, it refers to parrot. Which I bought means the parrot which I bought yesterday or last month, what it will, it likes tomatoes. Okay, it refers to the object. Okay, refers to object. What they are telling about this parrot? The parrot which I bought likes tomatoes, giving in the information about this parrot, what like the tomatoes. Next is the bike which I drive is old one. See, bike is subject. This is the antecedent. Refers to bike, which this is the relative pronoun. So this is old one. Tells or refers the object. Okay, the bike which I drive is old one. It is telling about the bike, what kind. Okay, now whose is a possessive pronoun which gives information about a person. Whose pen is this, whose car is that. Okay, like that. This is possessive. It is a possessive pronoun. Whose is a possessive pronoun where it gives the information about a person, things that belongs to. For example, this is the girl whose notes I borrowed. This is the girl whose notes I borrowed. Whose notes? Girls notes, isn't it? Yes, possessive. Here this word shows the possessive pronoun. Okay, next is the man whose father is a lawyer sold his wealth. The man, who is that man whose father is a lawyer? Whose is a relative pronoun, whose father is a lawyer. This highlighted, okay, this is adjective clause. This highlighted the noun, isn't it? The man whose father is a lawyer, okay, sold his wealth. Whose father is a lawyer? Whose father is a lawyer? Possessive, okay, his father sold his wealth. Next, those are the people whose huts are on fire. See, those people, whose, relative pronoun, whose means refers to people, okay. Those are the people whose huts are on fire. See, though whose refers to people, whose refers to people, okay. Now next is, let us go to the next word, that. It refers to things, people and animal, okay. That refers to things, people and animal. Let us come to the example. The dog that bit me is running. See, the dog is noun, that is relative pronoun. This is talking about dog, isn't it? That means talking about, giving information about the dog, okay. The dog that bit me is running. The particular dog, that means particular dog, particular animal or particular thing, okay. This is the book that everyone is talking about. Yes, this is the book. This is noun, subject, that everyone, this particularly about this book, okay. Relative pronoun, relative to this book, relative pronoun, relative to this book. This is the book that everyone is talking about, okay. That refers to book, okay. Next is, the girl that we met in Delhi has sent us a gift. The girl is a subject or noun, that. This refers to girl, okay. This is a relative pronoun, refers to relation with that girl. This relative pronoun, it shows the relation, it shows the relative of this girl. The girl that we met in Delhi has sent us a gift, okay. I hope all of you understood that relative pronouns are who, whom, which, whose, or and that, okay. These are the relative pronouns which introduces a dependent or relative clause. They are also referred as an adjective clause, okay, and so they are known as relative pronouns. Hope all of you understood, and please go on watching my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep smiling. See you in the next class.